Modern designs of commercial buildings include more use of glass than ever, yet often the glass areas significantly compromise the security of a building. Imagine you're a marksman set up with your weapon pointing at this building. Not only can you clearly see the target, but with normal window glass, what would happen if you pulled the trigger? Not only does the bullet get a direct hit at the target, but thousands of shards of glass get blasted round the office, hurting everyone in the area.
I'm Mike Stopford. I'm a Director of Protect Security Systems. Protect Security Systems supply a range of laminates that, when applied to glass, are not only bomb resistant but also bullet resistant as well. We're at an independent UK test facility that specialises in testing ballistic glass and steel and armoured plate, and we're going to test our laminates against different rounds of ammunition.
The professional test facility is set up to approve new standards in the ballistics industry.
Basically, the tests are conducted under protocols which have been generated for this new type of product, and the new protocols are controlled under the quality assurance specification that we work under. That's under the new ISO 9001.
On this video, we'll show you tests with both 9mm Remington and 7.62 by 39 steel core AK-47 bullets. First, an unprotected piece of glass using the 9mm bullet. Now, here is a similar pane of glass with PSS laminate added. The pane has similar opacity qualities, but when the gun is fired this time, much less glass is blasted away from before. Looking at the back of the test glass, there is no penetration by the bullet. Now we are going to set up the same piece of glass and fire a second shot, 60mm from the first. As you can see, after the second shot, the laminate has held and there has been no penetration. Now, to really test the strength of the laminate, we are going to fire a third shot into the same piece of glass, again 60mm from the center. As you can see, once again, the bullet has not penetrated, showing the true strength of the laminate even after multiple shots. But now, to really test the strength of the laminate, we will be using a 7.62 by 39 AK-47 steel core bullet. This bullet fires at 710 meters per second, compared to the 9mm Remington, which fires at 380 meters per second. Now let's see how the same size of glass holds up with PSS laminate supplied on the interior side of the glass. Much less glass is blasted away from before.
As you can see, the bullet has gone into the centre of the glass. The laminate's held the bullet. You can see the bullet trapped between the laminate and the glass. There's no penetration from the bullet or any of the glass shards into the building.
Looking at the back of the test glass, there is no penetration by the bullet.
Well, you apply the laminate on the interior side of the glass. This stops any shards or penetration of the bullet or bomb blast. And as you can see, as the bullets hit the glass, the laminate has absorbed the energy from the bullet, and there's a halo around the centre of the bullet where the laminate is detached from the glass and absorbed all the energy.
PSS laminate turns ordinary glass into being highly bullet resistant. In a real-life situation, this first shot would give a building's occupants valuable time to take cover. But what would happen if another shot was made near the first target point?
Well, we've now put the second round into the same piece of glass. We've actually fired the second shot 60mm away from the original shot in the centre, and again you can see there's no penetration and no small from either the bullet or any of the glass shards into the building.
For this next test, the stakes are getting higher as the test centre prepare a third bullet in the same piece of glass. Will the bullet penetrate now?
As you can see, the third shot's gone into the glass, again 60mm away from the centre. The glass and the laminate have held all three shots, and there's no penetration of the bullet through the laminate.
3 bullets into one piece of glass and still no penetration.
We've put 3 shots into the same piece of glass to test the multi-shot capability of the laminate. This follows the protocol designated by the test facility.
PSS laminate on your building glass can transform your Achilles heel into a high security barrier. To the bullet or any intruder attempting to smash the glass from the outside, it's almost like turning your windows into brick walls.
Well, you can see from the demonstrations that we've proven the ballistic qualities of the laminate. The laminates can be applied to both new glass and retrofitted to existing buildings, and it is an effective alternative to bulletproof glass.
Protect security systems. Advanced and elite laminates are designed not just to resist break-ins or bomb blasts, but to resist impact from high-velocity bullet rounds and shrapnel. And with the correct combination of glass and laminate layers, can provide a secure and cost-effective alternative to expensive bulletproof glass. Protect Security Systems are the only company in the world that offer third-party independent ballistic quality testing for these products. What are your specific needs?
Well, in different parts of the world there are different threat levels. Within this test facility we can test different thicknesses of glass, and we can replicate any ammunition and any weapon that is used in any particular country. Therefore we can give you the test results, which will enable us to provide you with a security solution for your specific needs.
Please contact us today.